just learned this Canon song. It's called Come Alive. It's off their Fever Dream album. And starts in E minor 7. And then at the very, very beginning, for the intro, they kind of do this hammer on with the pinky. And it goes B minor 7 to A major. E minor 7. B minor 7 to A. And then the rhythm is on the offbeat. So it's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. Just on the E minor, it's on the offbeat. And then, so you gotta just get your strum hand going, whether you want to mute the strings or you just want to air strum, and then come back on the offbeat. Like, or you could go. I'm keeping my hands right on the strings. You got to do a lot of muting with this smooth kind of music. Then the chorus is C major 7. Play that open position, but you have to do even more muting. If you're going to play open chords, you have to do even more muting. It kind of changes key. C major 7, G major, A minor 7. So we're changing the A minor, the A from major in the verse to minor 7 in the chorus. And then ending on the E minor 7. So all together it's okay, have fun playing that one. Thanks, bye.